we're gonna change the country name into an uppercase. Okay, I would use the flash fill, which means I just write how I want things to be, and once I go into the next cell and type the first letter, Excel will identify the pattern that I'm writing based on the format that I chose, and it will replicate all the other cells accordingly automatically. So once I press T, you see it flash filled everything. All I did was press T. If I press enter, everything is fixed. And the beauty of it, that it's not, you see this here, it's a flash fill. Okay, undo flash fill or accept suggestion. So if you just keep it, you will accept it by default. The beauty of it is that if I delete this one, it won't cancel anything. I can copy and paste the name, or I can rewrite it again. Country, that's not a big deal. Now I have everything in uppercase, lowercase. Flash fill works in any way you like.